Might have been.
They were probably thinking, oh, I wish we had friends.
Interestingly, all the way up and down, it's fences now. So,
Trendsetter.
yeah, we were pioneers. So, yeah, we don't know any of them, but so yeah, we got a fence. We decided to get a fence, one of those white vinyl, I think it is, fences, not cheap. And we live in North Ogden. If you dig down at all, it's rocks. And I thought, well, I'm just going to build it myself, save myself. I'll put the fence posts in. Have any of you ever done fence posts? Yeah, hand dug, yes, with those things. It is unbelievably hard work. And down below our level of soil that somebody put in there before we got there is North Ogden rocks of all kinds and shapes and sizes. And so for 2 weeks, since I couldn't ask anyone to help me, because I thought that would be the meanest thing of all, to ask somebody to help me dig out rocks in my yard. So for 2 weeks, I'm digging out rocks. Hardest work I've probably ever done in my life. Okay, so now you're listening to me. Do you want to give this a go? So what's the feeling that you sense from that story? What's the feeling that is happening there? Is it a happy one? No. So there's obviously some energy there, but at stage 2, you're just trying to rephrase the content. So how would you do that one? And shorter. Just put it in your words.
You want to get this fence up and get the yard prepped for the fence, but you don't want to ask for help because you don't want to, be worried about your yard and homework.
Now, did she capture what I said? She kind of did. There were some parts that she left out, but I get that she's listening. That's the thing. Is when she says it that way, I get that you're with me, not trying to figure out how I'm going to fix the problem or all the things I should be doing with my neighbors who are judgmental of me, whether they are or not. Yeah, okay. So somebody else. Let me continue with that story just a little bit. Let's see. So it probably cost us a whole bunch of thousands of dollars to put in this fence. And so of course, since we have a fence, our kids have to get a dog. It gets worse. And of course, they got the cutest, dumbest dog there is, a beagle. At least this dog was the dumbest dog of all time. We tried training it. We tried getting it to training. We did everything we possibly. This dog just had a mind of its own, and so one of the things this dog did was she decided she didn't like to be inside the fence that we got for several purposes. And so she would dig underneath the fence and then run away. Okay, so to that point, somebody else. Shorter in your words, anybody. Give it a shot.
So you built the fence and then your cute kids talked you into getting a dog.
How do you know they're cute? They are cute. No, I do have really cute kids.
If they were able to talk into a dog, they must be cute. So.
Yeah.
But then the dog started causing problems by digging under the fence and running away.
Yeah. That's exactly what happened. And so we'd have to spend hours chasing after this dog, and it would hide from us. It'd see us coming, and it would go behind a bush and hide. Because it knew that it was going to get reprimanded.
Exactly.
Yeah, well, it was smart in its own dog way.
Where was she when you were digging posts?
Yeah.